Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to tackle a common issue that many of you may have encountered when working with tables and tree grids. Table scrolling not working as expected. If you've ever found yourself struggling to get your table to scroll properly, especially when using a tree grid layout, then this video is for you. In this video, we'll dive into the reasons behind this issue and provide a step-by-step explanation of how to resolve it. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what's causing the problem and how to fix it. So let's get started. So why is table scrolling not working with tree grids? To answer this question, we need to understand how tables and tree grids work together. A tree grid is essentially a table that displays hierarchical data, where each row can have multiple levels of child rows. This creates a complex layout that can be challenging to navigate. The issue arises when the table is too large to fit within the viewport, and scrolling is required to view all the data. However, in some cases, the scrolling functionality may not work as expected, leaving you stuck with a non-scrollable table. There are several reasons why this might happen. One common cause is that the table's container element is not properly configured to allow scrolling. Another reason could be that the tree grid's layout is not correctly set up to accommodate scrolling. To resolve this issue, we need to ensure that the table's container element has the correct styles applied to it. This includes setting the overflow property to auto or scroll, depending on your specific requirements. Additionally, you may need to adjust the height and width of the container element to ensure that it can accommodate all the data. Another important step is to configure the tree grid's layout correctly. This involves setting the correct row heights and ensuring that the child rows are properly nested within their parent rows. Let me illustrate this with an analogy. Imagine a filing cabinet with multiple drawers, each representing a level in your tree grid. If the drawers are not properly aligned, or if they're too large to fit within the cabinet, you won't be able to scroll through them easily. Similarly, if your table's layout is not set up correctly, scrolling will be difficult or impossible. To summarize, the key points to remember when dealing with table scrolling issues in tree grids are: ensure the table's container element has the correct styles applied to it, configure the tree grid's layout correctly, including setting row heights and nesting child rows properly. Check that the overflow property is set to auto or scroll on the container element. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any table scrolling issues you're experiencing with your tree grid. That's it for today's video. We hope this explanation has helped you understand why table scrolling might not be working with your tree grid and how to fix the issue. If you have any further questions or need more clarification, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. If you're experiencing any other issues with tables or tree grids, feel free to share them in the comments section, and we'll do our best to address them in future videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.